Hi everyone, in front of me I've got XIAOMI Leica, and let me share with you how to forcefully restart your device. So this operation will be useful if for some reason your device stopped working properly, you cannot swipe, you cannot open something, you cannot close the app, etc. So to soft reset your device, you have to simply press the power button, which is located right here, and press it long enough until you'll see the black screen and then the developer's logo. So let me try to do it. Let me press this button and hold. As you can see here, we've got the information. We have to hold the power button for 12 seconds to force reboot your device. If you can't do anything here, you can of course use this ball and drag it to the reboot option. Here we've got black screen, which is a really good sign, but keep pressing the power button. I like to press it until I see that until I see the developer's logo, and now we can release the finger and simply wait until our device will be fully powered on again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.